Wanna know how to measure execution time of a Java program? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up any compiler or any application of Java. So once you've done that, we use a simple method, that is System.nanoTime. So you can see System.nanoTime right here. We have used this, and we use this to measure execution time in nanoseconds. So we record the start time, and after your code is ran, then record the end time. Then we subtract the start from end, and boom, you've got your time in nanoseconds. That's it. This is great for testing performance or comparing methods. So you can just simply run it up to take the results, and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.